Introducing Craft Your Life Project Kit Cozy Spaces. Lots of cute plants and pots to put them in. We'll have a look at the layering guide, and first we see two full-sized A2 card examples. On the back, we have the products used to create the images shown. We have the inks used to create the images shown in the center here. And then down at the bottom, you can see some products perfect for pairing. We'll set that over to the side. The next item that we're going to look at is the Builder Stencil set that you get. Lots of great images that you can put together or use separately to build backgrounds or scenes. That's a 4-piece set. You also get this gorgeous 3D embossing folder. And finally, you get this fabulous die set that creates the cutest chairs and lamp and table. The cardstock shown on the back will help you create if you want to match your furniture to what is shown in the layering guide. Okay, we're going to get started here with the A1 flower. I'm going to be using my Firefly ink to stamp the A1 layer. Next, we'll stamp the A2 layer with Grass Field. And next, we will stamp Shadow Creek for A3 layer. And A4 will be Espresso. Now we're going to go ahead and we'll start with B1 with Mountain Pine. B2 we'll stamp with Espresso for our stem. For C1, we'll begin with Grass Field. C2 will be Shadow Creek. And C3 will be Mountain Pine. Next up, we'll have D, E, F1. D and E will be Morning Frost. F will be Almond Butter. And then we will stamp D2, E2, and F2. And the first two will be Mocha, and the final for F2 will be Milk Chocolate. Now we're going to use the side arrow on our chair. We'll layer piece 2 onto piece 1. I'm using my tweezers to get this just perfectly into place. Then I'll use the arrow to align piece 3. Next, I have a cushion that I'll use the outline to layer. And then I put the arm on the left-hand side. Next, we'll layer together the triangle. Piece 2 on piece 1, piece 3 onto piece 2 using that triangle. Next, we'll use the outline to put the cushion. And finally, we'll put the arm of the chair. This is just the opposite orientation of the previous one. Now we're going to go ahead and use the arrow piece 2 on 1, piece 3 on piece 2. We'll use the front of the chair to align this wood piece at the front of the chair. Next, we'll use the outline to align the cushion to cover up our arrow. And then we'll add our cute little pillow for decorative. And then we're going to add the other arm to our chair. And I'm going to get that just lined up with the front leg of the chair there and the back cushion. And we will also do the next one, which is the little snowman. This is the same as the chair we did above, in that it's just the opposite orientation. So you're going to layer the pieces together in the exact same way, but it will give you a chair facing in the opposite direction. And I did not have the pillow for that one, but there is a pillow for that as well. Next, we'll begin with the circles on the bottom, layering the darkest on the bottom. Then we will put the keyhole light into place. We will layer the keyhole lighter orange tone and then the darker on top. And for our table, we'll just layer that tabletop and then layer the smaller circle on top to finish our layering guide. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Craft Your Life Project Kit Cozy Spaces. I hope you've enjoyed seeing some fabulous inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Craft Your Life Project Kit Cozy Spaces and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.